arriving to Sighisoara. Be there about an hour. There you go. Countryside here.
All right, we are in Sighisoara.
Yeah, we just drove in from Cebu, had a great couple of days there. The festival, it was really fun. Now we arrived in Sighisoara, having a little coffee and a breakfast here, and we're going to begin exploring shortly.
Explore the town.
Yeah, very cute here.
Yeah, we got up early and there was like almost zero traffic.
Yeah.
About an hour and a half drive. It was pretty easy. So
First impression is just super cute here. Yeah, super cute. We're looking forward to exploring. Yeah, looks lovely. It's a nice medieval town. Yeah, lots to see in this small little colorful town. So far, lots of little colorful buildings around us, behind us. Yeah, almost a little mini kind of capsule looking place over here, and old building. And we'll take you on a walk with us as soon as we're done with breakfast.
Yep.
This is so cute.
Umbrellas.
Look at how cute this is. Wow.
That's where we're heading.
Okay,
Clock
walking
tower.
up to the clock tower.
Here we come. Wow. Many passageways through here. This served as like the main gate here, the clock tower, to the Sighisoara Citadel.
All right.
Inside the clock tower, a little museum. Had a pharmacy in here for a while. So these are all pharmaceutical jars. Ouch.
Surgery and anesthesia.
We've made it up to the top of the clock tower.
Sighisoara.
Sighisoara.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Yeah. Very cool.
Cool. In the heart of Sighisoara's medieval citadel stands a humble yellow house with a chilling claim to fame, the birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, also known as Dracula. Born here in 1431, the young prince would grow into a feared ruler for his ruthless defense of his homeland. Today, the home is a small museum and cafe. Enter if you dare. Entering Dracula's house and room. Oh no!
Oh no!
You go first.
No! God!
Leaving the shadows of Dracula's birthplace, we wandered just a few cobblestone steps to the Monastery Church, a Gothic landmark first built in the late 13th century. Inside, sunlight filters across an ornate Baroque altar with a curious collection of old wooden panels, each one telling a story. These silent scenes are fragments of history, some recorded and others left to our imagination.
Legend of the Christmas stocking.
Seems to be.
Spoonman Shop. How they going to Spoonman? Does traditional artwork.
Just around the corner, we step into the Spoonman Shop, a cozy treasure trove of hand-carved wooden spoons, painted plates, and shelves of brightly colored saints icons. I jokingly called them saint baseball cards in a previous video, and a kind viewer later schooled me on their deep spiritual meaning. Each one a sacred image, rich with symbolism and tradition. Every corner here feels like a small museum, a devotion of craftsmanship.
From the Spoonman Shop, we hear the cheerful whistle of a little tourist train as it pulls into the square. Without hesitation, we grab our tickets and we climb aboard. In minutes, we're out rolling beyond the walled citadel, past cobblestone charm and into Sighisoara's quieter neighborhoods. A peek at local life just beyond the tourist trail.
Okay, so we're going to Tio's
Oh, let's duck into here.
wine cellar. Is that what this
Tio's,
is?
La
The
Tio, Sighisoara.
Okay.
Yeah, this looks
Oh,
good.
boy, isn't this pretty?
Hello. Hey, here. Wow. This is a cool place.
Wow. Wow. We're early.
Very early.
This one sweet liquor.
Sure.
Mr. Ron Palinka. Well,
Thank you.
apple, cognac,
Apple.
apple. 2 silver medal.
Oh, this is delicious.
Yes.
I'll treat you. Take a sip of this one.
Yeah, that's strong too. It's good.
Sighisoara is one of the best preserved medieval towns in all of Europe.
Yeah, it is very well preserved.
It's so huge.
1642.
Getting our steps in today. Literally.
Literally.
Wow, it's like an optical illusion, but I don't think it is, you know? It's just a lot of steps.
We've made it to the top.
Almost.
Almost.
That music serenading us.
Encouraging us. Keep going.
Encouraging us.
Right. Oh, okay.
Huh.
Oh, 1522 to 2022. 500 years. Says the placard.
Ah.
All right, we made it to the church on the hill from the year 1200.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perched high above Sighisoara, the church on the hill feels like stepping straight into a medieval storybook. Massive stone caskets stand guard, each with its own mysterious markings, while the domes overhead quietly watch. The walls are lined with old paintings, which seem to depict a princess with a knight on a white horse, dragons, and what looks to be like the knight slaying the dragon. And then there's a staircase that leads down to the catacombs.
Nothing.
A dead end. And these boxes were meant for when the village was under siege and it was a fortified church. So every family had a box of their stuff, their clothes, their food.
Yeah. So they'll have a little section for jewelry in there.
Yeah.
And every family.
A lot of family boxes. There's a lot of graves here.
Raining, but
Yeah, it's really coming down.
wow.
Let's go take shelter. As it starts to rain, we're soon back in the car, rolling out of Sighisoara and on our way to Brasov. If you made it this far, thank you for joining us on our adventure. If you enjoy exploring with us, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in Brasov.